Hey guys, good morning from New York. It's nice, crisp weather. Actually, surprisingly nice this morning. Probably like 70 degrees. I'm wondering if I should use some of this stuff. You see how thick that is? They gave me a ton. If it's not dried up, it says 1500. I'm just wondering if this company's exaggerating their temperature claims because the other the other brands of this paste, their temps are much lower. So let me go under here and show you what the repair actually looks like. I got to get the tarp. Okay, guys, it's been sitting overnight. Let's see if I can zoom in on this. How good my focusing is. Ah, look at that. I'm getting good with this camera. This is actually my Android phone. You know what? After I did the iPhone, that thing seemed kind of shaky too. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I shake too much. So anyway, this stuff's been sitting overnight and it's supposed to get like super hard, right? And you don't want it to be too wet. I am going to start the car up. They say it cures with heat. It said gradually warm it up. Now that might be a little tricky. Maybe run the car for a little bit, just half a minute, shut it off, let it sit, something like that. I'm going to touch it with my finger. There we go. Professional. But you see, you can just about get, I'm going to show you, this is how tight it is. Okay, this is where, I can just get a piece of sandpaper or anything up there. I'm just afraid. Let's see. It feels like it hardened. Yeah, I got the jack stands under it, just to be on the safe side. Okay, I'm just afraid that the damn thing may have, what if it falls right off? It's kind of weird how it sticks. I didn't feel very confident about it sticking when I put it on the pipe last night. So I'm going to start it up and see what happens here. Yeah, make sure it's at neutral. Oh, shit. There it goes. Now, I don't know how fast those header pipes warm up. Pretty damn fast. Let's see what's going on. They said it could blister if you heat it up. If you heat it up too fast. Now, if I want to go underneath there while it's running and look at it, what do you think? Still on there. Gotta see what happens.